How to update Asphalt 8 game. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Keeping your Asphalt 8 game up to date ensures that you get the latest cars, events, bug fixes and performance improvements. So whether you are using Android or iOS, first of all go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Asphalt 8 and search. Once you find this game in the search result, look if there is an update button. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Asphalt 8. If you don't see the update button, it means you are currently running on the latest version already. You can also turn on the auto update for the app by going to the top right and tapping on the three dots. Now make sure that you've checked this enable auto update button so that you can turn on auto update. Now whenever the latest release arrives, your game will be updated automatically. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.